Hi everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're as always your hosts,
ARNE CARLOS.
and we are back with episode 22 of the 2024 ARNE CARLOS Stocking and Knit Along. It's a mystery knit along.
It's a mystery.
And we have been revealing clues, and we've been doing color work, and we've been having a lot of fun. And we hope you guys have been having lots of fun as well.
Yeah.
We've got some friends.
We have the birds. They're always with us. The Donny, Bob, Fran, and Susie and Fran.
Yeah.
I've said it so many times now.
Yeah, it's Bob, Donnie, Susie, and Fran, the cute little bullfinches that have been keeping us company for the past 22 episodes. And they'll be here for a couple of more episodes before we say goodbye.
Yeah.
We have been having a lot of fun doing this, and we do hope that you have enjoyed knitting it as well. Every day we reveal 6 new rounds. And every day you can go to arnecarlos.com/blog and download the rounds for free. Yes. And the stocking is growing. It has been growing daily, both the actual physical stocking that we're knitting and revealing day by day, but also the chart that you can download for free at our blog.
It's getting bigger.
It's getting bigger and bigger, which means you might need some, Knit Companion or something like that to upload it into, and then to zoom it in. And actually, Knit Companion is a tool that we discovered through our knitting cruises.
We did. We have never heard about it. And I was knitting on stockings for the folk costumes at the time, and the chart was so small.
Yeah.
So they showed me how to just take a picture and put it in.
Well, you need to take a picture, but then you need to convert it into a PDF.
Yeah, if you don't take it from a PDF.
Right, and then you can, because you can only upload PDFs, I believe.
Yeah.
And then once you upload it, you can put it in your tablet, and then it won't, it will stay there. And then there's even a ruler, a yellow ruler, like tape, that you can move upwards, and you can zoom it in quite a lot. And it is actually even better than doing it on paper. Paper is so last year. Now it's all
Not
about
if you
the
ask
app.
me. I love paper.
Well, but for a chart,
For sure. I still love the chart.
yeah,
The paper.
I know you do.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to get us a little bit more sustainable.
Because you want to have everything so clean and organized.
I do, yes.
I like my folders.
Yeah.
And archive boxes.
Yes. Meanwhile, I
Scrapbooks.
ordered these beautiful folders in fabric. They are.
I know. I got one of them already. I'm gonna have more.
What was the name of the company again? It was a Swedish company. Ordning och reda.
Ordning och reda.
Ordning och reda in Swedish means order and reda.
Cleaning.
Yeah.
Cleanness.
Yes. Order and cleanliness.
Cleanliness.
It's
the word?
yeah. It's a Scandinavian concept of efficiency.
Ryddig.
Yeah, you reda, ja, rydder. Yeah, you clear. Order and clearance or something. Clearing and ordering. And anyway, it's a concept of Scandinavian efficiency, and they're beautiful to look at as well. So you get that little aesthetic, sense of aesthetic as
And
well.
since I'm organizing everything right now, I got one of them, and it's now filled with old embroidery patterns and knitting patterns. You see, you have to keep those.
Yeah, and I've got about 11 more to give you.
Yeah.
I used to put my World of Interior magazines in them, but that was in the good old days when I didn't have that many. 24 years later of subscribing, we have so many that we can't afford getting the folders because they're quite pricey. So
we're not having that anymore.
Yeah, I'm gonna stack them on the shelf they're like this right now, but I'm gonna stack the magazines up like that. And I'm gonna give Arne because it looks silly. It looks silly having 12 folders,
You have it
and
more
then the rest is not.
Yeah, you will have it more like Karl Lagerfeld's studio. So the pictures from his
Yeah.
studio, books are lying like this.
Yeah, some of them will be.
But this gives me the chance to do more shopping of vintage patterns.
Exactly. Now you have a place to put them.
Fill 11 of those.
Oh yeah, and they're beautiful, as I say. Nothing like a Scandinavian cool, clear, well-designed piece of furniture that also doubles as a place to keep order all your stuff. Ordning och reda. Great store.
And nice colors.
I don't know if they still have those stores around.
They're not in Norway, I think.
No. I bought them online and they were sent to me from Sweden.
But doing this brings me into the Christmas mood.
Yeah.
Because you have to think about Christmas, even if this is pre-recorded and we're showing it in November. It's November now when you see it, if you see it the first time. If you don't see it in 2026, if there's still YouTube around, you never know. And then I get in the Christmas mood.
I know.
And I finished 1 tree now. my alternative Christmas tree. Not painted, but it's polished. And,
Yeah.
and I'm going to make another one.
And I see you broke out one of the old designs that we make. We've got a great archive where we are, in this current room where we are is one of our, it's actually our archive room. You wouldn't believe it because it, but we've got sets in here to make it all look
hiding
very
things.
cool. But it's our archive room, and there's a lot of stuff here from our archives. And Arne brought out something we designed for a magazine
I
that we'll
found
tell
the
you
Christmas
about.
star we did many years ago.
Yeah, an embroidered one.
This is cross stitches, and then how did we do this?
So it's two
Pieces of cardboard.
Yeah, so you've embroidered separately 2 canvases with cross-stitch embroidery. Then you've cut out the star and then glued it on cardboard, cardboard.
They're two
pieces of cardboard so that it becomes thick, and then added the gold and glitter around.
With glue and glitter on the side.
See the glitter there.
And then also I think we made the star in wire.
Yeah.
And that is in between those 2 cardboards.
Yeah,
so this is really stiff.
You can see it there like that. Maybe you can see it here. Here we go. Oh, look at that.
Oh, Santa Lucia.
Oh, yeah, this could be like a, like a headpiece.
It could be if you read the book.
Well, look at me now.
Well, you look like...
I look fabulous, say that.
What's her name? You look fabulous.
Thank you.
Isabella Blow.
Oh, yeah, like a fascinator.
A fascinator.
Yeah, anyway, this was on commission. This was a magazine called Hjemmet, which means home in Norwegian. And we designed...
Is it Hjemmet?
Yes.
Ah.
And we designed 3 Christmas stars for them. One was knitted, and you can find that one on our blog, on our web shop. It's called Sia.
Oh, we have that one.
Yeah, that one is available, the pattern for the knitted Christmas star with cables in silvery kind of yarn. And then this was number 2, which is the embroidered one. And then we made one out of paper.
In collage.
Yeah. Now, we do have the pattern for this. We haven't posted it. But if you want the pattern, comment below.
Yeah, we could post it.
And we may post it.
We met one girl. She knitted it actually and made a Christmas pillow.
Let's see you. How do you look?
Fabulous. But
no. I want to see it.
A fascinator.
Oh, very cool.
But I think not for this Christmas tree, I'm going to paint it in the green on the color behind us. But for the other one, I'm making another one now that is more planned for the Christmas ball.
Yeah.
And then I was thinking I could find a way to put this on top.
Mm-hmm. It's a nice star.
It's a nice star. I think it's one of the best Christmas tree stars we have.
So who knows? Maybe in December, the Christmas tree painted in Colca Green might pop up on a video or 2 that we make.
Yeah, maybe.
And maybe there will be a star. We're not really going to tell you yet what we are planning for December. So let it be a surprise.
Keep your eyes peeled.
But maybe you'll be too tired of us after we come in every episode. I mean, we've been doing this for a while now.
Or 25 days.
Yeah, and people are, they're waiting for their pattern. So I think we need to show them what we're doing.
Yeah, but I'm so happy with this one.
Absolutely.
I love this
really
Christmas
nice.
star. I think we did a good job on this one.
Oh, yes, we
did.
It's
smart.
It's very nice.
It's a very smart Christmas star.
Okay, so let's do the reveal. We'll start here with we started with the toe, and then we've been moving upwards. And if you saw yesterday's episode, you will know that some of these are inspired by the Christmas stars that we also have on our web shop.
Balls?
Sorry, Christmas balls. We're talking about stars first, so I get confused. And then here is where we're going to put the heel in soon. So you need to stay tuned for that. We'll be doing this in a way that I think will work out for everyone. Mm-hmm. And here you've got your yellow scrap yarn, and turn it around and it is plain here. So this is where we'll open. And this is an imaginary line, like the equator or the Arctic Circle. And then we've got the hearts. Let's turn it the other way around. And then today we are back to green.
Yes.
I was wondering about that, whether we would ever get back to green.
But now we're finished with red.
Yeah. And we've got the white. We've cut off the white as well. So the white is here. Yeah. And it looks like there's no red. Although we must have... Oh, yeah, here's the red thread. So we've cut that out as well.
I haven't woven in the tails yet, or the ends.
But we don't know. I mean, there may be more pattern coming. You will not know until tomorrow. But anyway, these are the 6 rounds of the day.
It is. And this was very easy.
Yeah.
This is probably one of the quickest rounds. And it's also kind of like a repetition of what you did in the beginning.
Yeah. So, I mean,
easy.
you're going to have to start, thinking, figuring this out. So today is day 22, and we said we'll be going until day 25, which means we've got 23, 24, and 25. There's 3 episodes left.
3 more. Keep your eyes peeled.
Keep your eyes peeled. There's a heel coming. And how are we going to solve the heel? It's an afterthought heel, you know that. But stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. This is going to be fantastic for all the people who need help.
We will try to do it so you understand it, like easy.
And for those advanced knitters, please calm down. Don't jump into it. Wait and do it together with the rest of us. That would be so much fun.
But you can't do it now. It's too early.
I know, but what I mean is some people are going to be tempted to finish the stocking and start the heel so that they can finish quicker than us. But, what's the fun in that? Finish it together with us.
No, that won't happen because this is pre-recorded. So by the time you see this, we have finished it.
Yeah, we will have finished by the time you see it. But I mean, with the rest of the
with the rest
community,
of you, yeah.
We want the community to stay together.
Do it together, and then you can help each other.
Right, yeah. So, hold your horses. Yeah. Calm down.
You can look at the competition while you wait.
Right, there's a competition, isn't there?
Yeah.
So we've got a really cool competition running this year where we will randomly select a lucky winner who will win our latest e-booklet that we have done for Rowan. And enough of the Rowan Norwegian wool yarn to knit one of the sweaters from this e-booklet in any size they want.
Yeah, and the inspiration for this collection is Svalbard. So we have the husky sweater, we have the dog sledge, we have cables, and we have polar bears. And the only thing you have to do is to answer this question. How many books have we published?
Yep, that's the question for this year. And we want you to put the answer in the comments down below. It's a number we're looking for, and we're going to give you a little hint. Wikipedia is not a reliable source, so you may want to look elsewhere if you want to get the correct answer. Yeah. And you can put the answer down preferably once per day during this knit along, and that will increase your chances. But please do not put the answer more than once per day, because then you will be ghosted by YouTube, and you do not want that to happen. So once a day is pretty much enough. Yeah. And we will announce the lucky winner in December. So this will be a fine Christmas, well, one person will get a really fine Christmas present from Arne and me in the post as well.
So remember to like and subscribe, and if you're a subscriber, put on that notification bell, because then you won't miss an episode.
Yep, and make sure to interact with our content, as that really helps us here on YouTube. And last but not least, for additional content, make sure to look at the offer that we have for members. Becoming a member means that you will get 15-minute catch-ups with us every week. We do live streams where we offer our knitting help and expertise. We've got shenanigans in the kitchen and shenanigans, well, actually, shenanigans pretty much wherever we go. And then there's fun things like badges and emojis and other kind of content like that. So if you want to become a member, or if you want to consider it, all you need to do is visit our channel at ARNE CARLOS, go to the subscribe button, and next to the subscribe button, you've got a join button. Join by clicking and then selecting your tier. And we look forward to seeing you for that additional content as well. And if not, it's perfectly okay. We look forward to seeing you here every day for our knit along, and then for our usual episodes on Sundays.
Yes.
Yep.
So
thank you for watching, and we will catch up with you very, very soon again. Bye.
Bye.